Hi, I'm Lorraine from Learning Space, and I want to show you the liquid tiles that can really make a room pop and add value to your sensory room. Brings in that element of visual show, but also some deep pressure. So let me just show you and let's go and explore. So nice deep pressure with your hands. I've seen children who would go bare feet and go along them and getting a lot of enjoyment from them. Some children like getting really close, right up against, and really enjoying the visual show that happens. But even just that deep pressure and getting that little bit of resistance, it's just so lovely to see. Whenever you add these with a UV bar, sometimes they really pop with the UV light. And we also have a rotating liquid tile, and it enables it to twizz around and you're able to play and see the movement that it has. As you can see, there's a wide range of colors. They come in different shapes and sizes, so check out our website to see and explore what fun you can have with the liquid tiles.